To make blossoms, we will need a duster, an ejector impression strip, scissors, florist wire, stamen, rolling pin, florist tape, edible glue, which is water and fondant, gum paste. We will also need the back of a practice board and a gum paste flowers rack. So the first thing that we need to do is to stretch the florist tape to activate the adhesive. Then we take the wire and the stamen and place them over the florist tape and wrap them with the top end of the tape while pulling and wrapping with the other end of the tape. We will then continue to stretch the tape downward as we turn the wire until we reach the end of the wire. At this point, we will cut the excess tape off. Now we are ready to make our first blossom. We will continue to prepare the rest of the wires and the stamens as we did before until we complete 12 wires. The next step would be to roll out our gum paste to a thickness of 1/16 of an inch. To obtain this, we will need to use our rolling pin with the pink rings. Now we will cut our blossoms with a medium blossom ejector. Then place the blossom on the ejector impression strip and eject the blossom, making sure that we press down hard so that there are impressions on the blossom. We will do this with all the 12 that we need to make. And next, we are going to take our blossoms, put gum glue in the center of them, take our wire and put it through, making sure that the stamen is still visible and not going through all the way. We will now pinch the back of the blossom on the outside, make a hook on the other end, let blossom dry over the gum paste flower rack. We will do this with the rest of them. So now that my blossoms are dry, I like to give it a little bit of color using luster dust. This is only to accentuate the color, not to change it, but just to accentuate it. I will brush on a little bit over all of them. I will now put my blossoms in sets of 3. I need to cut some florist tape and then I will be wrapping them just like I did before. And to finish, I will wrap all the sets of blossoms into one complete bouquet of 12 blossoms. This I will be using for the bigger bouquet that will include dozens of roses and flowers. If you would like to display a bouquet like this on top of your cake, you may do so by inserting a cake spike on the top of your cake, leaving about a quarter of an inch out. Then you will insert your bouquet inside the spike. Or you may display your bouquet as a souvenir or just for fun like this one here.